I'm going to show you how to find updates on your iPhone, whether it be your iPhone storage or your apps themselves. So the first thing we can do is update our iPhone. So go to your settings and then go down to General and then go to Software Update. This is going to be where your phone, if you do have an update for your phone, it will be in this spot. So you can go ahead and update if you have one available. The next thing we can do is go and check our apps themselves. So let's go ahead and back out of here. And what we're going to do is go to our App Store and then go from here, hit your profile at the top right-hand corner, and then go down to App Updates. And from here, your phone will show you all of the apps that have an available update for them, but you can go through and individually update them or just at the very top, hit Update All. Now, if your app does not have an update available, but you want to update it anyway, there is a way to do this. So we can back out of here. And what we're going to do is go back to our settings, and we're going to go back down to General and then iPhone Storage. And what we're going to do here is we're going to offload the app and reinstall it. So let's take Facebook, for example, and let's go ahead and hit Offload App. What that's going to do is it's going to delete and reinstall, and it's going to get rid of cache and old data so we can go ahead and offload the app. This is going to force update the app itself, so we're just going to hit Reinstall App. So just in case you find a new feature on your Facebook app or your Instagram app, but you don't currently see it on your current version of the app, it's real easy to force update it just in case your iPhone does not have the available update ready to go. This is the ultimate way to do it. So that's it. It's super simple and super easy to find updates for your iPhone, but also for your apps.